Are you looking to gain hands-on experience in your career without prior work experience? Or you're interested in pivoting to a different career? I have an exciting news for you today. And it's about an opportunity that allows you gain hands-on experience without prior work experience. And guess what? It is for free. Yes, you heard me right. For free. Exciting, right? Let's dive right into today's video. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you an opportunity that I have used to gain virtual work experience in project management. Have you ever heard of Forage? If you've never heard of Forage, then you're in for a treat. Forage is an amazing platform that is designed to give virtual work experience to anyone with any career of interest, whether it be project management, it be law, it be finance, consulting, or even tech. It is designed by most of the top companies in the world. Let me show you how you can get started. Open up your Chrome app and type in theforage.com. Here, and then allow it load. Click on get started. Click sign up if you don't have an account, but I have an account, so I will just log in with my email and my password. This will take a little bit of time to load, so just give it a bit of time. Yeah, guys, do not forget to please subscribe to my channel. Yes, and then click on explore. Before that, I clicked on the profile icon and then click on explore. Click on view all job simulation and it will load and then open up. So here you put in your career interest. For mine, I'll type in project management because of course you're a project management enthusiast. And yes, loads of job simulations will open up, so you can try any one of them, and then I'm sure you would not regret it because each one promises to give you hands-on experience. Let me run through the benefits of Forage. Number one, hands-on experience. You gain hands-on experience by working on actual tasks and scenarios that professionals in top companies deal with every day. It is not just theory, you're actively involved in real-world simulations. Secondly, it is self-paced. You are in control. You determine how long the internship is going to take, either a day or a week. You just take it at your own pace. There's no deadline at all. Thirdly, it is for free, completely free, 100% free. You get world class training without paying a dime. Fourthly, boost your resume. After the completion of the internship program, you are awarded a certificate showing that you've been part of an internship program. And this certificate you can showcase on your resume or even on your LinkedIn profile. Plus, employers love to see that you've gained experience even if it is virtual. You can also explore different career paths with Forage. Let's say you aren't sure of which career path to take, or you're just curious of a career path and you want to find out what it's about, you can take different internship from different career paths on Forage and then choose which to commit to. Additionally, with Forage, there is nothing like unfortunately you are not eligible for this internship. There is no ineligibility with Forage. Once you apply, you are certain you'll be awarded the internship opportunity. The best thing about Forage is that you don't need to worry yourself about official internship opportunities or get bothered about job experience. You can start right now. Once you sign up, you get to build practical skills that employers look for. If you're a recent graduate or you're in college or you're just interested in pivoting to a different career path, Forage is an incredible resource for you to explore. What are you waiting for? Try Forage today and explore amazing job simulations that will give you hands-on experience and make you more knowledgeable in your career of interest. If you found this video helpful, please hit on the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more career tips and project management insights. Comment below if you've tried Forage out or if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you. Until I see you in my next video, do take care of your lovely self and thanks for watching. Bye bye.